Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says if vector A, vector B, and vector C are unit coplanar vectors. So, if it is unit coplanar vectors, can I say that this box product or A dot B cross C or A cross B dot C will come out to be 0? Okay, then this thing equals, so if you'll observe, this is also scalar triple product now, whose first component is 2a minus b. This is your first vector. Then we have second vector 2b minus c. Then we have third vector 2c minus a. Now can I go with the orthodox method? Because we don't have all the vectors, so we cannot go with the determinant part. So 2a minus b dot 2b minus c cross 2c minus a. Okay, now first we'll go with the square. So it is 2a minus b dot, now 2b into 2c will become 4b cross c, because in between them sign is cross. Now 2b into minus of a, so minus of 2 times b cross a. Okay, now we will go with this. So c cross c will become 0 because angle between them is 0. Then we have plus c cross a. Okay, if you'll observe, it is b cross c, a cross b, c cross a, so all are different. Now let's open this bracket again. So it is 8 times a dot b cross c, first component. Then don't you think that a dot b cross c, a dot b cross c is 0, so the first part will become 0, correct? So if we will go with this, it will become 0. Now it has vector a and it has vector a, so again it will become 0, because in the first row you will write a1, a2, a3, and in the third row of determinant you will write a1, a2, a3. So in any determinant, if any two row or any two column are same, its value will become 0. Similarly, if you multiply this and this, again first row and third row will have same elements. Similarly, let's open this and this. The first row and the second row will have the same element b1, b2, b3, b1, b2, b3, so it is 0. Then if it will multiply it with this, the first row and the second row will have b1, b2, b3, 0. If you multiply this and this, we will have what? Minus of b dot c cross a. So this you have to understand. Now look at this. We guys are aware of this idea that a cross b is, box product of a cross b is 0. Now look at this. So in determinant part, do you remember that in first row you will have b1, b2, b3, second c1, c2, c3, a1, a2, a3. Now look at this. If I will interchange these two rows, which impact it will create? The determinant value will become negative of that. So it will become negative and negative will become positive. So it will become a dot c cross b. Correct? Now what I will do? I will interchange these two rows. So again we will have minus sign. So minus of a dot b cross c. Okay. Now you know that A dot B cross C is what? 0. So this result will also become 0. Okay. So it is equal to 0. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.